Hi students, welcome, and we are going to see right hand limit here. So specifically when we talk about right hand limit, we mean that on the number line this C is being approached from the right hand side of C, which will give you the right hand limit. So this is right hand side of the C and we are approaching C from the right hand of C. So we write it as C plus, that is a very small value is added to C to get a value which is lying on the right of the C. So this is f of x, limit x tending towards C plus, which we have to obtain. Let us write it like this: limit x tending towards C plus f of x. So this will give you a value, let us suppose L1, after simplification and evaluation. So we say that limit x tending towards C plus fx is equal to L1. This is actually the right hand limit. So this can also be written like this, that what we are doing here, we are saying limit a function value at C plus h and limit h tending towards 0, which means we are adding a very small quantity, a negligible quantity to C to get a value which is slightly greater than C, and we are getting the value of the function L1, which is the right hand limit of this function, that is we are approaching C from the right hand side. For example, if we take a function which we know is called a signum function, and it is a function like this. We have studied it in the chapter function. It gives you three outputs depending upon the input. So f of x for signum of x is equal to 1, 0, minus 1 if x is greater than 0, if x equal to 0, if x is less than 0. This is the graph. Now if it is asked, find the value of limit x tending towards 0 plus fx, which means if you approach this function from the right of origin, what value will be the limit? So you are approaching 0 from the right of origin, which means from here you are going like this. What do you expect at x equal to 0? You will expect a value which is 1, because for x greater than 0 you know you will get 1, and you are approaching from the right hand side of 0, which means greater than 0, though it is almost 0 but it is not 0. So the value which it will expect will be 1. That is the limit, right hand limit at x equal to x tending towards 0. Thank you students.